Now, speaking of time savers, AI is available to both generate commentary and also to refine commentary. The highlights you choose um, generated after picking the time period for your comparison. Now, there's a raft of monthly, quarterly, and year-to-date options when it comes to comparisons. Selecting those, and then when you process that, they all appear, and you can select which of those AI suggestions that you want to add into your report. Now, once they're in your report, and from that point on, you can refine, in fact, all and any of the commentary in your report using Edit with AI. Once this module is open, you can choose from the on-screen options, and that might be to make something more professional or even to simplify that commentary that's been given to us from the AI suggestions, perhaps, or even your own auto text or your auto text selection, or even your own commentary that you've written to really just make that sing. Um, Update that and you'll see it all feed into your report commentary. It's a really super smart way to bring together important elements of your reports in a quick way.